Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: print function with separator and end arguments in Python. So first of all, what is this print function? So in Python, print function, it is used to print data or text or message on output screen or console. So for example, we can do it like this: print a value, comma a. So a value space a is printed. Similarly, print b value, comma b. So b value is space b. It will be printed on the console with a given message. So spacing between message or data being printed is given automatically. Okay, so comma operator or comma is used to display multiple messages or data in print function. So we can also use print a comma b. So a value space b value is automatically printed. So here we can also give our own separator, our own end of the statement. How? For example, sum comma sum. Okay, I'll take it as something like sum is comma sum variable comma. So separator equals to, I'm going to give it as assignment operator. So you'll get the answer as like this: sum is, okay, assignment operator, let us say sum value is 30. So 30 is printed, comma, what is the end of the statement? So end is equals to semicolon. Okay, so let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Print function args example1.py. So first take comments at the beginning of the program using hash. I'm taking two local variables, a 10, b 20. So print a value comma a, b value comma b. So I'm going to give multi-line comment in Python using triple single quote opening, triple single quote closing. So save this program in your working directory. So come to the command prompt and type py python print function args example1.py. So compile it. So a value colon space is automatically taken 10, b value colon space is automatically taken 20. So space is the default separator between message and value, text or data. Okay, so space is default separator. Okay, right. So now I will take print a comma b. Okay, so run the program. 10 space 20. So space is the default separator. Next I want to take sum a plus b, print sum, okay, comma sum variable. So message plus sum variable. So save this, come to the command prompt and run it. So sum space 30. Okay, right. So if we want our own separator, we have to give it like this using separator argument. So message sum comma variable sum comma, so separator is assignment operator. So our separator is character assignment operator in single quotes. So save this and run it. So now the separator is sum assignment operator 30. Default separator is space. Okay, so next I will also give end argument. Sum is the message, comma, sum is the variable, comma, end is, end assignment operator. So end is two new lines. So save it and run it. So we got two new lines, 1, 2. Okay. And here the default separator is space. Now we'll give both of them. Okay. We'll take one more. Print sum message, comma, sum variable 30. So end is semicolon. At the end, you will get the semicolon. So sum space is the default separator, 30 semicolon is the end of the statement in print. So next, I will take one general message, new line, hello. So new line character takes the cursor to the next line. So after this end, okay, which is a semicolon, it has taken a new line, hello. Okay, if you don't take new line, automatically end will be coming at the end of, hello will be coming at the end of previous statement, which is after semicolon. So take a new line. Right, so save it, run. Hello in the next line, new line, hello. So next, we will give both of them. Okay, so sum is the message, comma, sum is the variable. So 30 is the answer, sum space 30, but separator is equals to. So sum equals to 30. In the end, I want two exclamation mark with two new lines. Okay, two exclamation mark, two new lines. After that, end of the program. So save this, run. So sum assignment separator 30, two exclamation mark, one new line and second new line. In the second new line, end of the program. Okay, so this is how we are supposed to work with separator and end argument with print function. Okay, fine. So separator argument gives separation character between multiple messages or data in print function. Similarly, end argument gives, okay, end character at the end of message or data in print function. Okay, right. And coming to one more note point. So space is default separator. Okay, and next, triple single quotes, closing triple single quotes are used as multi-line comments in Python. And whatever we write under comments, it is not compiled or it is not executed by Python compiler or Python runner. So this is how we are supposed to work with separator and end arguments in Python print function. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.